Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Live Jobs Info. Today I got a new job notification for you. Before we get into the video, I request you to please subscribe to get daily job updates and also watch this video till the end so that you will get the complete overview of these jobs. Okay, so you'll find the link in the description so that you can apply for all these jobs, and also you can visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com so that you will apply easily. Okay, and I request you to please subscribe so that you will get instant job notifications and you can avoid last date concerns and all. Here we can see that there are so many job opportunities for both freshers and experienced. Capgemini is hiring, Accenture is hiring, and CGI is hiring, Mercury Socrates is hiring, and HCL is hiring, and JP Morgan, Siemens, Amazon, Mindtree, Cognizant, etc. There are so many job opportunities this week for both freshers and experience. For most of them, last date is like 10th of December. So I request you to please apply as soon as possible. It will help you. I request you to please visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com. Today let us see how to apply for Mercury Socrates. They are hiring for it seems that there is some net. Here we can see that Mercury Socrates is hiring for quality assurance for interns. The company name is Mercury Socrates. This job was posted on November 30, 2021. Mercury is a global data-driven technology-enabled performance marketing agency for over 30 years. Fortune 1000 companies and leading non-profit organizations have partnered with us to build and maximize the value of their customer portfolios. We work with world-class brands like Dell, T-Mobile, Samsung, GIO, Regions, Kimberly Clark, AARP, Lilly, Sanofi, NBC, Universal, Direct TV, American Cancer Society, Habitant of Humanity, and many others to build to and execute customer-centric business strategies. With more than 9,000 smart dedicated people in more than 50 offices around the world, we are still growing at a rate that outpaces the market with 2018 net revenue of $846 million. At Mercury, we help brands make the people-based marketing transformation using a combination of first and third-party data. We create, target, and measure the highly customized customer experiences that not only drive immediate results in the form of today's response and conversation, but also build tomorrow's increased loyalty and customer value. We apply an industry-focused methodology to the solutions we provide, from customer strategy consulting to audience and experience planning and to experience design and creation to performance media and site execution. At the heart of these solutions is Mercury deep heritage in the data analytics and technology capabilities that enable them. Our capabilities span people-based marketing disciplines and includes customer strategy, performance media, customer experience and personalization, customer relationship management, loyalty marketing, and enterprise technology services. In order to get daily job updates, I request you to please join any of these groups so that you will get instant job notifications. Here we can see that they are hiring for quality assurance for interns, and duration is for 6 months. Responsibilities are like analyze and understand the requirements and develop deep functional knowledge of the system under test, create document and maintain test cases for existing and new websites and mobile application functionality, perform manual testing, functional integration, design explanatory regression and smoke tests are needed, perform manual testing on common web browsers and mobile devices, find and enter bugs and defects into a bug reporting system, normally Jira. You need to perform all these tests and reporting in the tool Jira. That's what they mean. Communicate with the project management team on the status of issues and blocks. So they have some minimum requirements like you need to have a working knowledge of manual explanatory regression functional testing, awareness of writing and managing test cases in test case management tool, test trail Jfire, etc. Knowledge of SDLC and STLC are needed. Strong analytical skills and high level of attention to detail. Excellent written and verbal communications are needed. This job is offline, so you need to work from office, and the job timing is full time. Experience needed is freshers intern. Salary stipend is 10,000, and the location is India, and it means the pan India, anywhere in the India. So they will intimate you once you get shortlisted. Since this company is an MNC, so I request you to please apply, as this salary is also low. However, just apply for this. Why? Because in some of the MNCs, what they will do is like they will hire people, and in the internship, once they perform well, they will be turned into the full-time employees for their companies with huge packages. I have seen so many scenarios. I request you to please apply for this type of job so that it will helps you. Last day to apply is December 20, 2021. In order to apply, just click on this official link so that it will be redirected. So let me click on this. Here we can see the complete job descriptions, like quality assurance internships, as we discussed earlier, Macleay Socrates. Deadline is 20 December, 12 a.m. IST. I request you to please apply as soon as possible. For the first time you are applying, right? So that is why click on this register now option. You need to enter your email ID and password, and if you have an account earlier, if not, just click as G symbol, this Google symbol, sign up with your Gmail account, or else create an account by clicking on sign up. Enter your email ID, name, your mobile number, password, and your gender, and just tick box this I agree, so that it may ask you your resume. Just fill all those details. Yeah, it will once you get shortlisted, they will be calling you back and apply. Okay, I hope this video helps you, and comment below what type of jobs you need. For example, like if you are applying for Java developer, just comment in the description as Java developer or Python developer, etc., so that we will be able to assist you easily. Okay, I hope this video helps you, and that's all from my end. And there are so many job opportunities. Just visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com. Okay, I hope this video helps you, and that's all from my end. Thank you. Stay safe, stay positive, keep smiling, keep learning. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.